Benefits of collaborative care. Collaborative care really helps dogs to feel comfortable, confident and in control of their grooming and medical needs. During this video, which was 10 minutes in total, sped up to condense, Coda had her claws clipped, fur under her pads trimmed, brushed out and the Mud Daddy brush to finish. Coda was not bothered the whole time, happily gave chin rests, happily rested and was not distressed at any point. Many people find collaborative care boring, repetitive and don't see the point. I, however, really enjoy collaborative care so much so I have completed 2 courses for collaborative care and became a Dognostics collaborative care partner. This means that I can help others to help their dogs to feel like this when they need handling, grooming and trips to the vets. For me, there's nothing worse than seeing a distressed animal. There's always a way to help animals to feel comfortable with handling, grooming and medical needs. So much so, we now see this in zoos with wild animals. Check out Animal Training Academy to see some of the videos. We have so many resources available to us now to understand animals much more deeply than animals have been seen in previous generations. It doesn't matter what age your dog, it's never too late to start. Your dog will thank you for it. If you do want to learn, you can begin learning right now for free on my YouTube channel. You can access my YouTube channel directly via the link tree included in my bio. In the search bar, just type in collaborative care if using a computer. If using your phone, type in Mirjus Dog Training Collaborative Care to go straight to the relevant tutorials.